how's it going, guys? If you were able to catch those transitions from that intro, those were created simply by doing different camera movements. And today's video, that's what we're gonna talk about. I'll be sharing with you guys three different camera movements where we can create different different cool transitions for our videos. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. So let's get this thing going. So for our first camera movement, we'll be dollying in our camera at the end of our first clip, and then we're gonna dolly out our camera again at the beginning of our second clip. And then if we're gonna combine that together, you will see how cool the transition is. Here's the sample video where I'm moving in towards the door of the car. And then the second clip, I'm moving out from the dashboard of the car. And then combine those clips together where I was able to create a cool transition for that video. On our second camera movement is the whip pan movement, where we can whip our camera towards the left or towards the right, or we can tilt it up or tilt it down, where we're gonna combine our two clips. Like the first clip again will end with a whip either going to the right or left or up, down, and then the second clip will begin with the whip pan, and then combine that together like this video where it's a clip of my son inside the car where I whip to the left, and then the second clip I start with whipping to the left, going towards the dashboard of the car and combining them together, and I was able to create a nice transition on that video. And for the next camera movement, it's very simple, where I just slide my camera sideways and create a frame block. You have a foreground, and then slide the camera until that foreground blocks the lens of your camera. And then the second clip, you will start with the foreground blocking your lens, and then slide it sideways to reveal your subject. And that's it, guys. A very simple camera movement where you can create really cool transitions for your video. And if you like this video, don't forget to press that like button, and I will appreciate it if you guys will subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right.